More and more operations are having a problem being able to staff their functional particular units, and that's where automation comes in. When most of our customers are looking for a need for a vertical reciprocating lift, one of the things that they have constantly on their mind is maintainability. They want to be able to have a good, robust system, and that's what we offer. Our solution is very simple. There's low moving parts, which means there's less opportunities for failures and failure components. But in addition to that, if there are components that do have a problem, then we have quick disconnects, a way of exchanging those products very quickly so you have a minimal amount of downtime associated with this unit. And that's a huge advantage when you're dealing with automation. Automation does not have to be scary. Automation is something that it can be very simple and achieve a lot of different things with the new designs that we offer.